Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox a gift with a purchase from the brand PURITO. The offer is still available on the LOOKFANTASTIC website. You can get this gift set for free if you spend £30 on the PURITO brand. The gift set is called PURITO Hero Beauty Kit and worth £49. Okay guys, let's have a closer look at the products that we get for free. I will start with the minis. On the screen I will insert the size of each product. First I took out Centella Unscented Toner. This is the new version of the Centella Green Level Calming Toner that excluded all the essential oils, which makes it unscented. The essential oil-free toner keeps your skin healthy and smooth. It's essential oil-free, is alcohol-free and no harmful ingredients, is soothing and deep hydrating, and is suitable for sensitive skin. Second mini that we get is Centella Unscented Recovery Face Cream, and this face cream is essential oil-free version of a Centella Green Level Recovery Cream. This cream provides long-lasting hydration with soothing properties of a Centella Asiatica extract, is formulated with skin replenishing ingredients, and is suitable for all skin types. Is essential oil-free. It contains Centella Asiatica extract 50% plus niacinamide 2%. It's made from clean and plant-based ingredients, which again is great. The last mini from the kit is Centella Unscented Serum. As I can see, these three minis are from the same range. I think they will work perfect together, and you as a consumer have a great chance to try the full range. Here we have Centella Unscented Serum, is essential oil-free, is suitable for sensitive skin, will help soothe the skin and maintain clear skin, and it has a nourishing lightweight formula. Okay guys, we are done with the Centella Unscented minis, and next we found a full-size face serum. Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. It contains Centella Asiatica extract 49%, niacinamide plus panthenol and peptide, is calming and firming, and it has a lightweight gel formula. It's a nourishing face serum that helps to soothe irritated skin. It strengthens moisture barrier, helps firm and plump the skin, and reduce inflammation. The last product from the kit is AllCare Recovery Acne Patches, Simple Invisible Spot Care Solution with Centella. Inside it has 51 waterproof, breathable, ultra thin, invisible acne patches. This hydrocoloid patch will help acne wounds recover. I'm using acne patches when I have unwanted guests. What else I want to mention is that all the products showed today are made in Korea. Okay guys, let's talk about the PURITO Hero Beauty Kit. For me personally, I find it very interesting, especially because I want to discover the brand more. I cannot say that all the products from the kit suits my skin needs, but what I can use, definitely I will. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!